Prep Test 68, game number 2, question 6. It's the first question in the game, and as usual, it's a possible scenario question. So we're going to use the rules to eliminate answer choices one at a time. So our first rule tells us that if you have F, you can't have G. So I've written this out in kind of a confusing way here because it was a little tricky trying to fit all that information in. But these dashes are separating days of the week. So I'll put them in red to make it a little bit more obvious. And let's start eliminating. So if you have F, you cannot have G. A is okay. B is okay. C is okay. D is okay. And E is okay. So we haven't gotten rid of anything from this rule right here. But we have some other rules built into the limited options. And we already created our limited options in another lesson or another video. So I would recommend either going back and watching the setup video for this game or taking a moment, hitting pause, and trying to work out how we created these two options that you see on the screen now. And then when you're ready, you can hit play and try and work through the rest of this problem with us. So let's go ahead and work through what we've got here. Answer choice A. Do we have a scenario where we can have only F on Monday? Potentially over here. Could we have H and I on Tuesday? No. We could never have I on Tuesday, so A is out. Answer choice B. Do we have a scenario where we could have F and H on Monday? No, we can never have H on Monday. So this one's out. Answer choice C. Do we have a scenario where we could have only G on Monday? Perhaps right here. Could we have F and I on Tuesday? Again, we cannot have I on Tuesday, so this answer choice is out. Answer choice D. Could we have G and J on Monday? Yes, up here we could have G and J on Monday. That could leave F and H on Tuesday and I on Wednesday. This one's looking good. Let's just check E to be sure. Could we have G and J on Monday and only H on Tuesday? No, that's not an option. Therefore, answer choice D is the correct answer.